Here is my son's Dodge Charger Kid Trax police car. The amber lights I've just added here to the rear. Scanner bar there in the center. Light bar on the side. Spotlight. Also, on the front, I've added the amber lights on the front by the light bar too. Brings it out a little bit better. Trying to keep it original a little bit. Trying not to add too much. Just try to keep it in the police perspective. Light bar here on the sides here. New little addition here I like. My little handcuff keychain I got for him. Pretty cool on the keys. There's a little mic PA system. A little loud on the inside. It's on up with the all black wheels. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. More to come later on. Like I said, a few other more ideas. Just waiting to see what I'm going to do to it next. Alright.